Can you check the audio now? Can you check the audio now? Now it's audible. That's good. Okay. Okay. Let us try to understand how to work with value annotation in case of what? Spell. Spring expression language. Okay. Using @value annotation, I can inject direct values. I can inject values collected from properties file. I can inject system property values. Okay, I can inject values after performing what? Arithmetic and logical operation. After performing arithmetic and logical operation. So let's do that work, guys. Let's do that work. Here is my what ID? Eclipse ID. What is this? 515, right? Yeah. This is our Eclipse ID, guys. Let's come out of debug mode. Let's keep in regular application development mode. Come on, come on. Yes. Okay. Let's create a project, my dear. Here is the project. Where is the project? Other. What is there, guys? Other. What is there? Spring starter project. What's the project, guys? Spring starter project. Okay. What is the project number, guys? You can take any number. Spring Boot Pros 06. Here, what is this? Value annotation. What is there, guys? Spell. Okay, I'm looking for jar only. I'm looking for jar. Group ID, everything is perfect. Say next. Here is my what, guys? Here is my what? Web module. What module? Web. What is the starter? Basic starters are enough. No need of adding extra starter. It's a basic value annotation based example, guys. Spell does not need any separate jar file, right? Spell is also part of core module jars only. Right. Say next, save finish. Say next, save finish. Yeah. We have taken this, guys. What is that? Value annotation spell. Okay. Now I'll go to this place, guys. Give me one small example. Two classes. One will maintain catalog. Other one will maintain customer information kind of thing, where he will acquire few services of the catalog, and we have to find out what bill amount of that or total amount of all the prices. He has to find out the total amount of what all the prices, right? That's sounds really great, now, boss. Shall we analyze that? Okay. Let's see how to analyze that part. Okay, idli dosa, that's a very boring example. Let's take some meaningful example. Yeah, software institute and student, courses catalog, different courses and their prices, right? Okay. So now let's do that. Okay. Courses catalog. Yeah. Courses catalog. What is there? Course dot name. What is that? Course. Why? Course dot core Java dot. Otherwise, I'll write shortcut, guys. Course dot CJ dot price. Okay, sum 4,000, right? Course dot AJ dot price. Sum 5,000. Course dot. Okay, SPBMS dot price. Sum 7,000. Course dot JRTP dot price. What is there? JRTP dot price. Sum 8,000. What, guys? JRTP dot price, this one. Course dot, come on. Course dot, where is this? Python dot, what dot, guys? Course dot Python dot price. How much? 9,000, right? Course dot Django Python. Okay, PTN. I'll take it as what? Python. What is there? Django. TZN dot price. Okay, Python is how much? Some 4,000. Django is how much? Some 6,000. Something, guys. Some course prices are taken there. Enough, guys. And we want to take course dot DevApps dot price. 9,000. DevApps dot price. I think I'm just taking courses like this. Any courses you can take like us. That's not a big issue. Okay, now I will take some packages here. com dot nt dot sbeans. Com dot nt dot sbeans, guys. Here is my package, guys. Com dot nt dot sbeans. Okay. So there, here is what class. Tell me, guys. Course catalog. What catalog, guys? Here is my course catalog. ఒకసారి కొటేషన్ బెటర్, నేను వేరే మీటింగ్ లో ఉన్నాను. ఒకసారి కొటేషన్ బెటర్. అదే బరువారే 210 310 మైక్రాన్స్ అండ్ వెహికల్ వచ్చేసి XU9. కాదండి, XU9 అండి, పెద్ద వెహికల్. Yeah. This is what? Course catalog, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah. I need to make this one as a spring bean at the rate component. I definitely need to make this one as what? Spring bean. What is there, guys? At the rate component. Followed by that, what is there, guys? Private. At the rate component. What is there, guys? Come on, everyone. Private string. What is there? Private string. Not string. We'll directly take the prices, guys. Private double or integer. Anything you can take. That's not ambiguous. Okay. CJ rate. What I'm taking, guys? CJ rate. Core Java rate. At the rate value. At the rate value. Dollar. Open floor bracket and closing floor. Course dot. CJ dot price. Yes, my dear. Private double. Tell me. AJ rate. What rate, guys? AJ rate. Now tell me. At the rate value. Course dot AJ dot price. Okay, next. Okay. SPBMS rate. What is this? SPBMS rate. Course dot. What is there? SPBMS dot price. Course dot SPBMS dot price. Yeah. Next, what is there, guys? Private. Course dot. What is there, guys? JRTP dot rate. Course dot JRTP dot price. Private double Python price. Python rate. Variable name can be anything, Rababu. Because we are injecting individually, na boss. Okay. Correct C rate to CJ rate. CJ rate. Okay. Variable name need not to match with the key, boss. Okay. It's my choice. At the rate value, course dot. Tell me next one. Python rate. What is that? PTN, PTN dot price. Next. What is the key we got, guys? Django, na? Yeah, DJN. Course dot. What is there? DJN dot price. course dot djn dot price. Where is this? django dot right. Private double. Come on. DevSec apps rate. DevSec apps rate. At the rate value. Come on. At the rate value. Course dot. What is the key boss? DevOps. DevOps dot price. DevSec apps rate. Okay, like this. I just want to check what is being injected, guys. So better to have two string method and getter setter methods, my dear. Okay. So what I do is I will create the project. There I want to add additional starter after creating project. What is the option we got? Add starter. After creating project, come on. This is my Lambda KPI, guys. Say next. Select pom.xml. What .xml? Pom.xml. Save, finish. Select pom.xml, save, finish, guys. This is my application.properties file or not, guys? Okay. Okay, now in course catalog, what is there? At the rate data. At the rate component one side, at the rate data what? Another side. It's clear? Okay. This is my application.properties file, guys. Come on, everyone. Here is my what? S beans. Okay. Shall we take another one, my dear? Right click, new. Right click, new class. Student. I'm taking one more bean called what? Student here. I want to make it as a spring bean. How to make it as a spring? At the rate component. What is there? Start. Let me make course catalog also spring bean, guys. What is there? Catalog is the bean ID. Catalog is the bean ID. Okay, that's great. Okay, like here, let me show all varieties. Injecting direct values, injecting values collected from properties file, injecting values collected from system properties. Okay, next one. Injecting what, guys? Environment variable values and injecting values after performing spell operation. Injecting the values after performing what? Spell activities. Spell is nothing but what? Spring expression language activities. What activities, guys? Spring expression language activities. Shall we observe that, guys? Come on, everyone. At the rate component, what is there? Study is there. Okay, that's great. Yeah, tell me here, what is this? Private integer or int? Private integer or int, guys. Yes and no. Here I want to inject direct value. What is the value I want to inject? Direct. So 1001. What is there? 1001. Lombok dot value. Not Lombok value, sorry. It has to be value annotation given by Spring Boss. Control plus shift plus O. It is the value annotation that I want to take. This is the value annotation that I would like to take. Okay, can I request one thing? Anyhow, I'll confirm tomorrow. Okay. Can I take your Monday class at 11 o'clock, morning 11 o'clock? Anyone is having any objection? No, not possible. You have other classes. Online students, only Monday. Can I take your session at 11 a.m.? Only Monday. Everyone, please respond. So far, all positive responses only. Tomorrow, regular timings only. Monday also regular timing may be there, but if I get work on Monday evening, I'm just keeping one buffer slot. That is what 11 o'clock. Because I don't want to cancel the class. I want to take the session, but 11 or 5, I will let you know tomorrow clearly. Instead of no class, 11 p.m., not 11 p.m., 11 a.m. Sorry. I will teach 2 students, not for the ghost. I will teach 2 students, 11 a.m. Okay, now the question is, room is available or not? I have to check. Can someone call admin? Yeah, if room is available, I will take Monday, only Monday session, evening 11 o'clock. Sorry, morning 11 a.m. Morning 11 a.m. Hussein Leda, ఒకసారి పిలవండి అమ్మా. Yeah, we are directly injecting, guys. Monday 11 o'clock ఈ strength కి ఒక రూమ్ ఇవ్వగలవా? ఓన్లీ మండే. రేపు కూడా ఈవినింగే తీసుకుంటాను. ఏదో ఒక రూమ్ అడ్జస్ట్ చిన్న రూమ్ అయినా రైట్. Yeah, it's confirmed, guys. Admin supporting our cause. Okay, so he arranged room at 11 o'clock. So Monday session either 11 or 5. When it will be, I will give clarity tomorrow in the classroom. Okay, but be ready for any slot, either 11 or 5. If my work is scheduled in the evening, I'll take at 11 o'clock. If not scheduled, that work got cancelled, I will take at regular 5 p.m. only. Okay, right. Yeah, private string, what is there? Private string yes name. Private string yes name. Okay, now this I want to collect from this place, guys. Here, what is this? Student information. What is there? Student information. Stud dot yes name. Stud dot yes name. Or anything. Key is not fixed, guys. Anything you can give, right? Student dot, not compulsory, you should use it. Student not name. What is this? Karan. Yeah. Student dot address. Hyderabad. Monday. అది 50-50 నేను కన్ఫర్మ్ చేస్తాను నీకు. స్టూడెంట్ డాట్ అడ్రస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఓకే, స్టూడెంట్ డాట్ ఈమెయిల్. స్టూడెంట్ డాట్ ఈమెయిల్. ఓకే, raja@rani.com. raja@what? Rani. Okay, here is my student here. Tell me here, what is the one I am taking? @value. What is there? @value. Dollar flower bracket, open, closing. Tell me. Student dot name. Name, yes, name us. Name only. Okay, we are injecting this. Same thing I have to do for address also, my dear. Yes, ADDRS. Array, here what is there? What is the properties file here? Address, email. ADDRS. What is there, guys? Address. So definitely it has to be what, guys? Address, my dear. Okay. Student dot address. Tell me next one. Private string. What is next? Email. Student dot email. What dot email, guys? Student dot dollar student dot email. Yeah, we are injecting direct value. That's good. Okay. Injecting the values collected from the properties file. Injecting the values collected from the properties file. Okay. Injecting the values collected from the properties file. Okay, guys. Next. Injecting the what, guys? System properties file. What file, guys? System properties file. Are you getting my point there? Injecting the system properties file. Okay, tell me next one. Injecting the system properties file. Okay, tell me here, what is there, guys? Private. Okay. Yeah, tell me next one. Private string mail, student dot email. Private string mail. Here what? String OS version. What version? OS version. Tell me. At the rate value, dollar, floor bracket, open, closing. Tell me next one. Uh, OS dot version. What dot version, guys? OS dot version. Next, what is next one? Private string. Tell me. OS name. Okay, I want to take OS dot name. These are representing system properties, na boss. Hey, we learned all these things earlier. OS dot name. Okay. Next, injecting environment variable values. Injecting environment variable values. Private string, tell me, path data. Private string path data. Okay, dollar, floor bracket open, closing, dollar, floor bracket open and closing. Here, what is the story, guys? What is there? Path. P capital path. Case sensitive, path data. So environment variable values are injected now, guys. Okay. Injecting values by applying what, guys? Spell. Injecting values by applying spell. Injecting values by applying what? Spell. Spell is nothing but what? Spring expression language. Spell is nothing but what, guys? Spring expression language. Are you getting my point there or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Injecting values by applying what, guys? Spell. Okay. Tell me. Private double. What is there, guys? Double. Full stack price. Private double full stack price. Okay. Here is my full stack price or not, guys? Private double full stack price. Full stack Java price, guys. Full stack Java price. Full stack Java covers what? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices, DevSecOps. 4 courses. Let us assume maybe others are there, but mainly these 4 courses. I need to do arithmetic operations here or not, guys? Okay. Yeah, here what is this? At the rate value, what is there? Dollar, open floor bracket and closing floor bracket. Come on. Dollar, open floor bracket and what? Closing floor bracket. Here, I have to do spell. Okay, hash symbol. Spell means hash. Placeholder means dollar symbol. We all know that, right? Okay, now listen. Hash symbol. What is the other bean, guys? Catalog. Catalog dot CJ price plus catalog dot AJ price plus catalog dot what is that? SPBMS price plus catalog dot SPBMS price. Catalog dot SPBMS price. Catalog dot, come on. DevAppsa, DevSecAppsa. What is the property name? What I have to write here is not key. You have to write, sorry, my mistake. It should be rate, property name. BNID dot property name. Property name is what? Rate. SPBMS dot rate. Catalog dot DevApps rate. DevSecAppsa, DevAppsa. DevSecOps rate. DevSecOps rate. DevSecOps rate. Everyone getting my point there or not there? So I'm doing arithmetic operation using spell now, my dear. Okay, now listen. Private double. Okay, is JRTP price high. One Boolean property I want to take. Private Boolean. What is there, guys? Private Boolean. Are not only arithmetic operation, we can also perform logical operations, na boss? Okay, guys. Private Boolean. At the rate value. Okay, hash. What is there? Catalog dot is what, guys? Is JRTP price high. Is JRTP price high. Catalog dot is JRTP price high. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Okay, not is, guys. Now 1 minute. Is JRTP, 1 minute. JRTP rate greater than or greater than 10,000. If it is greater than 10,000, okay, true is injected to this variable, right? Okay, less than 10,000, false is injected to this one or not. That means this time I'm trying to do logical operation here or not, guys. Okay, that's great. This time I'm trying to do logical operation over here or not, my dear. Say something, my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay. Private double final. Okay, guys. Final full final FS Java price. Final FS Java price. Final FS Java price. Tell me. Final FS Java price is what, my dear? Final FS Java price. Array, they both are there in same variable. Can I write the arithmetic and logical operation here itself? Tell me. Full stack Java price minus full stack Java price into 0.3F, 30% discount I am trying to give. What is that? 30% discount I am trying to give. Fine, boss. But whatever things are injected, I'm interested to print them or not there. To print them, we need at the rate two string method is required or not required. Definitely two string method is required or not required. No doubt in that two string method is definitely required. So that's why here also I am taking at the rate data, my dear. Okay. Here also I am using at the rate data over there or not there, guys. Okay. Through this, I want to check. Through this, I want to check whether values to that bin object is injected properly or not, right? Okay, guys. Check it out here. Private, tell me. Course catalog. What is there? Catalog. Private course catalog. Private course catalog. At the rate auto. Private course catalog. What is there, guys? At the rate auto. This is the one way. Spring bin to spring bin injection I can do using at the rate auto. Okay, let me show this can be done using spell also. Private course catalog. Come on. Catalog. What is there, guys? Private course catalog. Tell me here. At the rate value. Here is my what? Catalog. Okay, here I will try to say catalog 1. Okay, at the rate value. Here I will try to inject floor bracket open. Floor bracket open, floor bracket closing. Here is my what, guys? Hash symbol. Floor bracket open, floor bracket closing. Here is my what? Hash symbol. What symbol, guys? Okay, that's great. Fantastic. Course catalog dot Java. Here is my what? Student dot. Through spell also I can do spring bean to spring bean injection, but you have to not use at the rate auto void. You can use at the rate value. That is an interesting aspect or not, guys? Come on. Using spell also I can do spring bean to spring bean injection, guys. Okay. So getter setter methods are added. Everything is done, boss. Okay. Okay, now we have to check if this one working or not. Definitely. So first of all, what should I do? Get access to what container? IOC container. Get access to IOC container. Application context CTX. Application context CTX. That's great. We are getting access to IOC container or not there? Get, what is this? Spring Bean class object reference. Get Spring Bean class object reference. Here, what is there? Student st is equal to ctx dot get bean. What is there, guys? Stud is the bean ID. Where is that, guys? Student dot class. What dot class, guys? Student dot class. Student st is equal to ctx dot get bin stud student dot class. Yeah, tell me. System dot out dot println. What dot println? System dot out dot println. I just want to check whether things are injected properly or not. Close the IOC container. Where is that? ctx dot close. Add cast to this. Okay, add cast to this. We are ready with this story or not there? Ah, what is your doubt? What is extra part, guys? Line number, acha. Whenever I press that wrong key, it is going for circular injection, it seems. Yeah, it is. It's good in a way. It's good. It is injecting something on its own. But right now, it is not required for us. Okay. Can we check whether arithmetic and see remaining all our old stories, boss? Only spell is extra na. I want to check whether it is injecting spring bean properties effectively or not, guys. Come on, everyone. Right click, run as what is there? Java application. Yeah, see, SNO 101 direct value injection, SName current value from property file, address Hyderabad, value from properties file, mail raja@rani.com, value from property file. Next, OS version 10.0, OS name Windows 11, path data. This is my path data or not, guys? Are path environment variable value with respect to Eclipse it is injecting. Injecting or not, my dear? Okay, these are very known things, guys. We already did this kind of thing. Okay, what is the next one? A very lengthy path is there, don't worry. Very lengthy path. Ayaram kind of thing. Come on, let's end it. So many things are there in what? Path, guys. No problem. One day it will end, don't worry. Yeah, full stack Java price 25,000. Arithmetic operations are done or not, guys? Is JRTP price high? False. Is JRTP price high? False. Okay. Final full stack price 0.0. That means discount calculation not happened. We will see why it is not happening. Catalog. Array, in one spring bean, another spring bean object is nicely injected. 2 times I have injected, guys. Array, muddy fellow, within the value spell is used, na? Narasimha. To use spell also value annotation is required. For everything value annotation is required. But to use spell also value annotation is required. You cannot use spell without value annotation. How silently asking question. To use spell also at the rate value annotation is required, right? Okay. Yeah. Catalog one also injected na. So that means using spell also I can inject one bean with another bean. That is nice. But why discount calculation is not working? Shall we analyze why discount calculation is not working? Private double. Okay, one more time, let me check. I'll keep in a bracket kind of thing, guys. Yeah, within the class. Let's run the application, guys. Regular values are injected, my dear. Python rate, this is okay. JRTP. Final JS price. Oh, I cannot do arithmetic and logical operation, huh? Okay, no option. You have to take a business method. There you have to do calculation. But one small limitation is there with the spell. Spell cannot be applied on the same current bean ID properties. Spell can be applied only on what? Neighbor spring bean ID properties. You try with the spell. You try with the spell, guys. Okay. So I don't do calculation like this. Okay. Somehow it is not taking it. It is not doing calculation and assigning, na? Okay. What my thought, you know? At the rate value. What value? At the rate value. At the rate value. What is your thought? Floor bracket open. Floor bracket opening and closing. At the rate value. Floor bracket opening and what? Closing. At the rate value. Floor bracket opening and what? Closing. Here is what, guys. Student dot. What is the property? Full stack Java price minus, okay, full stack Java price minus, again, student dot full stack Java price into 0.3f. What is there, guys? 0.3. What is there, guys? 0.3. Okay. 0.3. Double we are taking. Student dot 0.3. Why red mark here? Bracket should be closed. Oh, that's a great thing. Right click. What is there? Run as Java application. See, guys, it is not allowing to apply expression, guys. Property or field student cannot be found of type. It is looking for neighbor bean ID. It's not taking what? Current bean ID. That's the biggest problem we are having now, boss. Then situation comes when how to handle the situation. Or it's a current class property. Now you can write a business method. What is there in that? You can write a business method. In the business method, you can write this logic or not, guys. Or you can write one instance block in the instant block. Inside the instance block also you can write this logic or not, guys. Okay. Student dot. Take stud as a node. Why stud? Worst fellow. Bean ID is student na. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. Yeah. 1 minute. I thought it is stud, student. Okay, I'm trying to take what? Stud only. Let's check. Let's check. By giving wrong ID, we cannot say it's not working. Good observation, Rachapalli, Ashwant Reddy. Is it happening or the circular reference? Where is circular reference? Without my knowledge, where circular reference happened, Ra Babu? No, it is not taking it positively. It is taking this one as what? Circular reference, right? Okay, it's not working, guys. It's not working. Then what should I do? Can I write instance block here? Hey, instance block. No name. Static block means static block. Instance block means no, nothing. Final Java price is equal to, tell me, final Java price minus, okay. Final Java, eh, that's sorry. Full stack Java price. Here, what is the one we have to got? Full stack Java price minus, tell me. Full stack Java price into 0.3. 0.3. Here, what is the variable name? E. What is the variable name, guys? E. Okay, that's great. Right click, tell me, run as Java application. I think it should work this time. I think it should work this time. This time, yes. This time, yes. Hey, full stack Java price still not happening. What's happening, guys? What's happening? Instance block I have taken. Okay, 1 minute. Let me print the value here, whether it is happening or big things are happening, but the small thing is not happening. Let me print SOP value, whether it is calculating or not. Let me check. Run as Spring Boot application or Java application, one and the same. Spring Boot application or Java application. Open JDK. Windows security, that's fine. It is giving 0.0. That means in the instance block, it is not. Okay. I'll tell the reason. Okay. Nothing is there. Now I analyzed the reason, guys. First, variable initialization is happening. Then spell is coming into picture for injection. Then spell is coming into picture for injection. Okay. What is the solution for this problem? The solution for this problem is, can we initialize, can we do this assignment? First object creation, then injection. So, but instance block, constructor, all these things will execute during object creation. At that time, full stack Java price is 0. 0 minus anything is 0 only, right? 0 minus anything is what? 0. So how to solve this problem, guys? Very simple. Okay. How to solve this problem? We don't write this logic here. We'll write in a business method. We'll write in a business method. Make that one static. Yeah, I think static also good. Static initialize. But static execute before initialization. Too danger, Ra Babu. Static execute before these initializations, right? Too danger. Okay, now 1 minute. Public. Public double. Calculate. Public double calculate. Public double calculate discount. Public double calculate discount. Final calculate discount. Yeah, return. What is there? Final calculate discount. Return. Final Java price. Okay, we are asking to return it, guys. Come to this. Come to this. Before printing data, guys, what I do? Okay. Double discount is equal to, what is equal to? Discount is equal to calculate discount. Yes, this is done now, boss. Sys out. What is there? Sys out. Sys out. Yeah, what is there? Discount amount is discount. Discount amount is discount. Right click. What guys? Oh, again came. Again came. It is always ready to give. Okay. Tell me here what is there. I think it should solve the problem. Discount amount has come now, boss. And here also it has come, my dear. So when direct door is not working, we have to use indirect door. No option. I think you got the idea how to work with the spell. Okay, spell to perform arithmetic and logical operation. It is purely there to perform what? Arithmetic and what? Logical operation. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. File open, guys. Spring here. File open, spring here. Tell me. 515 Spring Boot core. Where is this? Spring Boot core. Where is that? Value annotation and spell. Value annotation and spell. Yesterday we discussed everything except example application. All injections are happening here. Yeah. Today we have seen one thing, guys. Using spell. What is this? Using spell. We can inject Spring Bean class object to another Spring Bean class object. Okay. With the support of what, guys? With the support of @value annotation. That means @auto void annotation is not required. @auto void annotation is not required. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. @auto void annotation is required or not required? Definitely not required. Here, what is this? Either this or this. Here is my @catalog or not, guys? What is this? Another bean ID. Another Spring Bean ID. Here, using @value, I can do not only simple value injection. I can also do what? One Spring Bean injection to another Spring Bean or not, guys? I can also do one Spring Bean injection to another Spring Bean. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Spell expression cannot be applied on same Spring Bean class properties. It must be applied on what? Other Spring Bean properties from the current Spring Bean definition. So being from current Spring Bean, we can inject other Spring Bean. It cannot be applied on this one. Yeah, tell me, all these values will go to Spring Bean properties directly, or they will go through environment object? Remembered? System properties, values from application dot properties, all these things will be injected. Come on, through environment object or not, guys? Simply and literally through environment object or not, guys? Super. Here is what? Properties file. Here is system properties. The value collected from property file and system properties will be injected to IOC container here. In IOC container, to what object they will be injected? Environment object. From there they will go to Spring Bean class object based on the placeholders that we have placed or not, guys. This concept we already learned. Environment object is a programmer created object or internally created object. It also can be used as what? Spring Bean. Okay. How to configure custom property file in Spring Boot application? It can be done in two ways. Number one, using @property source, or by using what? Spring.config.import key of the application.properties file, right? @property source we already know, guys. This is the new approach or not, guys? Spring.config.import. What is there? Okay, spring.config.import. Okay, let me use both approaches. Now I'm interested to go for custom property file configuration. I will try to put both approaches, guys. Come on. Okay, here is my any file name I can take, guys. Info1 dot properties. What dot properties? Next, new. Where is this file? Info2 dot properties. What dot properties, guys? Info1 dot properties. Next one. Info1 dot properties. Next, info2 dot properties. One is info1 dot properties. Other one is what? Info2 dot properties. Total, how many property files are taken, guys? 2. Okay, now here, check it out. I'll try to add one extra property to inject, guys. Okay, here I will take college dot name. What dot name, guys? College dot name. Okay, CBIET, some name, guys. College dot name. Here is what? Info dot properties. College dot name. Wantedly, I am taking the same key with different values. JBIET. What is there? JBIET. There are some college names, Ra Babu. I'll try to configure both these custom files using two different techniques. First technique is what? @property source. @property source. It is directly there in the class path. I can directly write info1 dot properties. @property source info1 dot properties. Understood my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Other side, what we got? Okay. I go to application dot properties. What dot properties, guys? Import the properties file. Import the properties file. Yeah, tell me here what is there. Import the properties file. Tell me what is the story there. Spring dot config dot import is equal to spring dot config dot import is equal to what is there? Spring dot config dot import is equal to info2 dot properties. That's great. Go to student, guys. Here I'll try to inject private string college, private string college at the rate value dollar floor bracket open closing. Tell me college dot name. What dot name, guys? College dot name. Right click, guys, run as Java application. Okay. College name is injected or not? OS name. Array wait, before seeing only you are concluding and not injected. Which one injected? JBIT or CBIT? Where, guys? JBIT. That means info2. Info2 means what, guys? Second one, which is configured by using what? Application.property file. For example, listen carefully. For example, listen carefully. I commented this. Second property file is not configured. Let me check. It is collecting the value from first property file or not, guys. It definitely looks to collect the value from what? First property file. Check it out. Here is my what? CBIET or not, guys? Here is my CBIET or not, guys? Here is my CBIET. Is that right, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. This is my CBIET. Okay, nothing else, boss. Apart from that, nothing great is there. Right. In both are there. Second priority. First priority is given to application.property file configured property file. Everyone getting my point? Yeah. If we take, this is the question. Let me change the color. If we take same keys with different values in application.property file, in custom property file, okay, which one will be taken as the final value? Okay, this question is different, guys. Okay, in application.properties and custom property file, same key is there. Then which one will be taken as the final value? Just a minute, we'll see that part also. Okay, now listen. Here, college dot name. What dot name, guys? College dot name. CBIET. Not Y. Some other college. VJIET. What is there? VJIET. Okay, now all the three are pointing to single property. Let's see which one will be taken now. Which one dominates? What is the value that is coming, guys? VJIT. That means application.properties is getting a high priority or not, guys? Application.proper. The value kept in custom property file will be taken as a final value to inject. Array. Okay, 1 minute. If custom property file is configured using what? Approach 2. Then content of the custom property file will be taken as final value. If same custom property file used what? Configured using approach 1. Then application.property file will be used. Okay, right now we are getting application.property file value. Why? Can you guess? Because custom property file is configured by using what? Property source, not by using what? Spring.config.import, right? Custom property file is configured by using what? Property source only. This is in comment mode or not, guys? This is also enabled. Now what happens, guys? Then what happened? Info2 value. What is info2 value? JBIT. JBIT value will come or not, guys? JBIT is coming over here, guys. Final conclusion is what? If we configure same key with different values in both application.property file, custom property file, which value will be taken? If custom property file is configured by using what? Spring.config.import key, that file, that file value. Now, if it is configured by using property source, okay, then application.properties file. All these are little tricky questions, nothing else. In Spring programming, if you give wrong key in placeholder, $key of value annotation, then $key itself will be injected to what? Spring Bean property. In Spring Boot programming, we get the exception for the same. Other day we have seen in Spring programming, if you give wrong key, property type is string. Key itself, it is trying to inject or not, guys? Okay, today, let me give the wrong key here. Go to application.properties here. Okay. Go to application.properties. Here is what? Student.name1. Actually, wrong key only I am passing, right? String type property, but in Spring, in this situation, key itself, it will try to inject. It will try to inject key itself, right? It will try to inject the key itself. Are you getting my point there or not? It will try to inject the key itself, right, boss? But in this place, it is not injecting key. It is saying that cannot resolve placeholder student dot name. Cannot resolve placeholder student dot name. Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not, guys? Okay. And the debugging part that we discussed in yesterday's itself, my dear. Okay, there is one more query. Let us try to understand that query. If we configure custom property files using both approaches, having same keys with different values, which value will be taken as the final value? Approach 1 or approach 2? Okay, already we discussed it. What is that? Only custom property file, same key, different value. Which one will be taken value? Spring.config.import approach will get the higher priority or not, guys? Okay, now let me write that query, guys, here, that query answer. If the custom properties files are configured, custom property files are configured using what approaches? Both approaches. Configured using both approaches. like using both approaches. Like what, guys? Like both approaches. Property source approach, property source approach, and spring dot config dot import key approach, import key approach. Then whose value will be taken as the final value to inject to what, guys? Spring bean property. To inject to spring bean property. Once again, we do proper experiment and we will go for it. So now in application dot properties, I'll make sure that no college name is there. Right? In info1 dot properties, CBIT is there, which is configured by using property source. Info2 dot properties, what is there? JBIT is there. It is configured by using what? Spring dot config dot import key. Spring dot config dot what key, guys? Import key. It is configured by using spring dot config dot import key. Run as Java application. Okay. First, you have to solve the existing problem. Wrong key problem we have to solve now, my dear. Let me solve the wrong key problem first. I solved wrong key problem. That's great. So now you observe Java application. Yeah. Come to this place, guys. Come to this place, guys. Come on. Where is this? DevSecApp rate, not that, not that. JB80. JB80 means info2 na, boss? Okay, that means if custom property file and both are configured, then whose value will be injected as to Spring Bean property if whose value if both the files, if both the properties files are having same keys with different values, are having same keys with different values. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. What is the answer? Okay. The value kept in the property file. The value kept in the properties file. What file, guys? The value kept in the properties file. The value kept in the properties file. Are you getting my point there, guys? The value kept in the properties file. The value kept in the properties file that is configured using spring dot config dot import key. What key, guys? Spring dot config dot import key. Import key will be used as import key will be used as the final injected value to value of the spring bean property. Final injected value of the spring bean property. Everyone convinced or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. This is there now, boss? Yes. Yes. Let me upload the things, guys. This is there. Where is this, guys? What's your batch code? 5:30 p.m. Right. Yeah, don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about how to perform bulk injection, which is specialty of Spring Boot. At the rate configuration properties is there for bulk injection or not, guys? Value same as Spring Boot, guys. In Spring classes, in Spring I have not covered spell. Here I am covering spell. Apart from that, nothing great. Here is my Spring Boot core, guys. Right, file upload. Then what is next? Spring, guys. Tell me. Where is this? 515. 515. Here is my what? Spring Boot core. What is the session number? 11. That's great. Okay. Now let me save this document having modifications. Say upload. Simply say what? Upload, guys. Not uploaded, huh? Actually, it has reached to max capacity. It's giving warning every time. Yeah, that's great. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Don't miss tomorrow's class. Monday timings I'll upload in tomorrow. Okay.